Do you want to excel in your school and college exams, and achieve the grades you desire? In this video, we will guide you through effective preparation strategies, tips to tackle exam papers, and provide some motivation to keep you going. So, let's dive in. The foundation of success in exams lies in effective preparation. Here are some key steps to help you prepare for your exams with confidence. 1. Understand the syllabus. Begin by thoroughly understanding the exam syllabus. This will give you a clear roadmap of what topics to focus on. 2. Create a study plan. Organize your study time with a well-structured study plan. Allocate sufficient time for each subject and topic, ensuring a balanced approach. 3. Use quality study resources. Utilize textbooks, study guides, online resources, and educational apps to gain a comprehensive understanding of the subject matter. 4. Take notes and summarize. While studying, take concise and clear notes. Summarizing the information will help you grasp the concepts better. 5. Practice regularly. Practice is the key to success. Solve plenty of practice questions and pass exam papers to familiarize yourself with the exam pattern. Now, let's explore some tips that will enable you to approach exam papers strategically. 1. Read instructions carefully. Before you begin, carefully read all the instructions on the exam paper to understand the format and requirements. 2. Manage time wisely. Divide the allotted time among different sections of the paper. This ensures you have sufficient time for each question. 3. Start with easy questions. Begin with the questions you find easier. It will boost your confidence and save time for tougher ones later. 4. Answer clearly and concisely. Write your answers legibly and concisely. Use bullet points, diagrams, or charts where applicable to enhance clarity. 5. Review your answers. If time allows, review your answers to correct any mistakes or add relevant points. As a student, your holistic development is crucial. Here are some special tips to enhance your learning experience. 1. Maintain a balanced routine. Strike a balance between academics and extracurricular activities. Engaging in hobbies and sports can rejuvenate your mind. 2. Stay positive and confident. Cultivate a positive mindset and believe in your abilities. Confidence can work wonders during exams. 3. Seek help when needed. Don't hesitate to seek help from teachers or classmates if you encounter challenges while studying. 4. Stay healthy. Remember to eat well, exercise, and get enough rest. A healthy body and mind are essential for optimum performance. As you embark on this academic journey, always keep your goals in mind and draw inspiration from successful individuals who have overcome challenges to achieve greatness. Remember, your grades don't define your worth, but your determination and effort will pave the way for a bright future. We hope you found these tips and strategies helpful for your upcoming exams. Remember, success comes from consistent effort and a positive attitude. So, work hard, stay focused, and believe in yourself. You have the power to achieve your dreams. Best of luck for your exams.